Hi guys, Chris from Copia here. We thought it's a good time to show you an unboxing of a portable dictation device because of the situation in the world today. Because of the COVID-19 coronavirus, everyone wants to be mobile and be able to dictate from home. So we thought we'd do an unboxing of the Philips SpeechAir. I will show you the contents and what's inside, what you can expect. So it comes with the recorder, looks like an old school iPhone, but it has your traditional slide switch. So I'll get to that shortly. So you also get a quick start guide, very simple, a couple of pages. Then you also have some accessories. So it does come with a cradle. So the cradle will charge your device. Comes with a power supply with extra power packs. So if you're in Europe, Asia and Australia, so it's very easy and convenient. You can just click that on. You've got a couple of USB cables, one for, which looks like for the power supply, and the other one is for your computer connectivity. So on the back, you can see the two USB ports. You also have a network port for some of the Philips software. So this device just docks in there to charge. It can also have an external carry case. If you do have that, Philips have thought of that, because usually if you put the case on it won't fit. You can take that out and then it'll dock as well with the carry case, so you don't have to take it off. And it comes with some earbud headphones if you want to listen to yourself if you've dictated something confidential. So we'll just put that aside for now. I'll turn the unit on. So we've got the power button on the side, and as I mentioned earlier, your traditional slide switch. Once we turn it on, we'll be able to log into the Philips Speech Live solution. It's a cloud-based dictation solution which allows you to securely dictate from wherever in the world. Because this device connects to a Wi-Fi hotspot or connection, you'll be able to send that back to your secretary. So we've just got the app there. So that's what your dictation device looks like. So you obviously can record, stop, just as you would with a traditional dictation device. So, and then it is an Android device, so you can go online. Obviously I haven't connected it to Wi-Fi yet. It's a brand new unit, but it works exactly the same as any other Android device. You can scroll from the top, you get your notifications, you can go back to your settings screen and connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and what have you. So that's it.